It is Minnie and Nana again. Yep. Time to go out trash picking. How about y'all come along with us and see what we can find this morning? We got up earlier. Not a lot, just enough though, I think. So let's get out there and see what we can find. Let's go. Here we go! Last leg of the trip. Thought the camera was falling. It wasn't. Oh boy. And look what we got. These things are awesome. Put it back here, and you know what feels good? Can see out my rear view again. Feels good. I was getting sick of that grill. So you know what that means with that grill out of here? That means we got to the scrapyard. Woohoo! Alrighty, we are definitely here plenty early. We ought to find some stuff. Let's go get it. Onward! Some stuff. Again. I gotta walk a little ways though because of where it's at, but we'll make it work. Right, Minnie? We'll make it work. Alright, I need you to watch truck. Okay? Watch truck. And it's cool enough out so I can shut the truck off. Might not be as much as I thought. Might only be this chair. No, we got a pole or two. What's that? Swim set. Somebody would buy these or take them for free. One or the other. One or the other. Put them in here for now. In fact, they should be fine there. All right, let's see what else they got. Wondering if I should take this mask that's in here, or even the whole bag. Now we'll leave the mask. Some pool noodles. All right, just a chair. All right. We'll see, we might have to cut this mesh off of here a little bit later on. But not for right now. Look how dirty Ellie Mae got yesterday. We definitely need to wash her. Definitely need to wash her. Nope. Well, Put it like that. And we'll lift it up. We're gonna do it this way. There, that's better. There we go. Then this can go here. I jammed my finger yesterday. Thought I broke it. It still hurts. Doesn't look swollen. I have no idea what's going on with it. Did you watch Truck? Good girl. Anyway, it's still sore today. Let's hope that it gets better. Leave you on until I know if there's more. Yeah, I think that's it for this area. All right, onward. Just thinking, I watch other trash pickers and dumpster divers and stuff, and I noticed that a lot of them breathe heavily too. I wonder, you know, they're not always exerting themselves. So I'm kind of wondering if the heavy breathing and stuff isn't from excitement. You know, they're excited about what they just found. That's what I'm wondering. I think it might be. Anyway, just my 2 cents. Horrible time to be here right now. School is in, or starting, and there's traffic everywhere. Oh well. At least we're here early, right? At least we're here early. Got some stuff in this trash can. I forgot to roll the window down a little. What do we got? A fake flower and a weed whacker. Got a rug in there too that I want to check. Don't get hit by a car, Nana. Don't get hit by a car. That wouldn't be good. Missing the pull start, looks like. Alright, let's go check this rug. I don't know what that came off of. Missed. That was good. I was in basketball too. No. Has icky on it. All right. Onward, y'all. Got us a little fold-em-up chair. Not a lot out here this morning, so maybe my getting here late hasn't been too big of a factor. Ooh boy, this is one of those rocking chairs. Let's see. Let's see if we can get it to fold up better. I think it goes this way. Is there a lock on it? Help, y'all! Help! Let's sort of going. There we go. It's going. There. Got it. Thank y'all for helping, because I couldn't figure it out. Y'all are super helpful. That ain't gonna work. We'll just leave it like that. That was out in the all night because it's wet from the morning dew. One of these days, on my way to trash picking, I need to stop. No, hold on, there's a car coming. Anyway, I pass a couple of ponds and stuff, and in the mornings, oh, they're turning there. How was I? I don't know. In the mornings, it always has like steam coming up off of them, and it looks really cool. Anyway, remind me to stop and record that for y'all. Maybe tomorrow morning. Maybe. We'll see. Anyway, onward! Oh. I blew right past the fan, y'all. I blew right past the fan. Let's get it. Oh yeah. Let's see if we can leave the base too, because I would like that. I don't know how my glove got way over there, but it did. Yeah, we'll try it. There we go. Like to leave that stuff too, but at least the plastic part. But I'm not gonna stand here and do that right now. I gotta go see if my other battery is charged up, because this one ain't gonna last real long. Alright, y'all. Onward. Onward, onward! That is a really beat up chair. We'll take it. I don't know, is it a chair? About to find out. No, some kind of table or something. We'll leave that, but we'll take this. That is beat up, y'all. Heavy too. That means it's just plain steel. You stay in there. Scrap was trying to jump out. I guess I should have just left the tailgate down. Or up, I mean. Okay. When you get back up in there, I'll turn you around then, since you're being stubborn. There. Now you have no choice. Lippy scrap. Lippy scrap. The scrap's getting lippy on us, Minnie. Getting lippy on us. Are you bored? Are you bored or tired? Or sick of this? Hopefully you're feeling okay. Alright, y'all. Onward! Look at their police car. That's pretty cool. That's a nice car. First I thought it was just a regular dressed up car, but nope, it's a cop car. Just thought y'all'd like to see it. Got us a Christmas tree. Wonder if it works. Which means I wonder if we should take the box. I think we will. Just on the off chance that it works. Question is, where am I going to put it? Back seat, I guess. We bought a rug a while ago at a yard sale. We forgot to bought it for great grandma, and we forgot to bring it with when we went to Minnesota at Christmas. I think I forgot it twice, so we're gonna remember it this time. I got it laying in here flat because otherwise I try to lay it flat in our house somewhere or outside, the cats will scratch it up, and we don't want that. All right, onward. Homeowner just got home, but we're gonna look at this cabinet. I'll leave my sunglasses. It's a nice cabinet. Hi. Decided you didn't want the big piece of furniture, huh?
I know they're moving and they have to get rid of some stuff.
Oh, okay.
You're welcome to help.
All right. They gonna be getting rid of more?
Maybe so. They're going to try to move some stuff out tomorrow.
Pardon?
They're going to try to move some stuff out tomorrow. But I don't know.
Can I give you my card?
Sure.
Okay.
I'm here half the time.
Yeah, if you could, I don't know if you want to give that to him or what you want to do. I collect scrap and things I can
Okay.
sell, so.
Okay.
All right. Thank you so much. Meanwhile, I'm going to grab this hook
Oh, yeah.
and this other piece of metal here. You have a great day. Might be stuff in there. Do you think it'd be okay for me to open the trash bag and look in there? I'll close it back up. I won't leave a mess. All right. Thank you. When you have a chance to ask, it's always better to ask. What? Looks like it might be closed. Brenda, I know I should wear my finger things, but I just want to get this done quick. And I'm going to be opening the bag all the way, so it should be easy to see inside. What's that? Oh, that's a coveralls. He's cute. There's water in here, so I don't want to be too far in there. How should I do this? I guess I'll break the ties and then I'll tie it back up with the plastic. Looks like a bunch of outdoor toys. Are they all beyond? Yeah. No, it's all just junk. Here's how we'll tie this up. Perfect. All right. Collect our little lizard. Is he from he's from one of those Disney shows, isn't he? Let's see. Oh, there's some garbage in there with this, but that's okay. There. All right, let's go, little guy. Grab my sunglasses. Look at our little lizard. We got a little lizard friend. What do you think? Huh? Is he cute? He's not as cute as you, is he? Oh, look at her. Is he gonna play with him? Are you gonna play with him? Get him. I'm gonna get him. Get him. Get him, Minnie. Get him. Get him. Get him. Get him. All right, y'all. Onward. I would love to take that cabinet, but it's heavy. I'm alone and nowhere to put it if I do get home with it. All right, y'all, onward and upward. Let's see if we want these planters. It's such a nice morning. It's not even 70 degrees yet. These are kind of cool too. Yeah, we'll take these. What about these planters? What do y'all think? What are these? Well, that's to hold it together. Yeah, I think they're pretty cheap, but we'll take them. What about this board? Yay. I got garbage. Yay. We like garbage, don't we? I don't know where I'm gonna put this. Here, I guess. And these we'll put, and I'll just put them here for now. I'll have to get up there and rearrange maybe. Get those boards and stuff underneath stuff. I said stuff twice, didn't I? Little lizard friend sitting there yet. He's still there. All right, let's get moving some more. Look at this silly cat. Look at him. Isn't he cute? Rascal, how come you're so cute, huh? Huh? How come you're so cute? Are you my buddy? Huh? You my bubbers? Are you my bubbers? Yeah. You catch all those mice and rats for us? Yeah, so they can't destroy things. They're everywhere, aren't they? Yeah, they're everywhere. Yeah. All right, Rascal. Say goodbye to everyone. Say goodbye. Say see ya. Shenanigans. We're gonna call it right there for today, for this episode. And we will have the rest of the trash picking on Monday. The rest of this one. So this is part 1, and part 2 will be Monday. I hope you enjoyed. I really enjoyed having y'all along. I always do. I missed y'all so much when I was out sick. Don't ever want to do that again. I'm so happy to be back trash picking again. I love it. And I hope you can tell that when I'm doing my trash picking. Anyway, I hope you all are having a great day, evening, morning, afternoon, whatever time it is, wherever you are. I love you all from the bottom of my heart. Until next time, be blessed, y'all. Bye.